What's going on? Michael Petty here. So listen, we got some new people ask for some information. So I like to go through this every once in a while to share with you guys the fastest way to get leads, make sales, and make money online. So what I like to share is a way to build a residual income with the $25 digital business, pays a $20 residual income. And inside this information, I also like to show y'all how y'all can earn up to $2,000 in direct, immediate, same-day cash flow. As soon as you make a sale, the money's available straight to your account. You can go have fun, right? The residual income component, this pays on a weekly basis. So now you're going to build a residual income and also position yourself to make immediate direct commissions. So the fastest way to do this is very simple. You go to a traffic source. I like to use Udimi, right? Pick a person that you want to use. Okay, just going through it for demonstration purposes. Pick the amount of clicks that you want to buy. Okay, 300 clicks costs $123, and this is the date that it's going to start. Okay, now they typically have about 4 days to complete your order. They can start immediately. They can start within a couple of days. So if you want to go out on a certain day, just keep that in mind. Right? You give them your link, or you can simply do an ad if you want to, but I personally like to give them a link because they know their list better than anybody. They know what type of emails to send to their list. So I give them a link, and within the date specified, typically within 24 to 48 hours, or within a 4-day time span, you're going to get 300 people that's going to visit your capture page. Some people are going to opt in, some not. So when a person opts in, I highly suggest adding a autoresponder to it. So as soon as they opt in, your autoresponder going to start following up with it. Now, the type of information you want to share is, in my personal opinion, you want to brand yourself every step of the way. So whenever you do a new video, like this video, I'm going to take it and I'm going to send it out to my list, because there's new people asking for information how they can make money online. So I like to show the most simplest ways to do it. And that's pretty much what I do. What I'm showing you is what I do. I get leads, right? Organic is best. So if you got some strategy, you can get free leads like YouTube, Facebook, some strategy, right? People are going to opt in. You create an autoresponder campaign to follow up with your list. And whenever you create new content or come out with some new information, you send that to your list, right? What I like to do is at least once a week, I like to cut a video just like this one and send it out to my list. And I like to share ways that I feel anybody can do. Anybody can start a business for $25. $25 not gonna hurt anybody. You build a residual income. So 2 people, you're in profit mode, right? Once you build that up, start at the next level, which is the premium package, and that's $125. You're gonna make $100 residual income. Still, 2 people, you're in profit mode because you're making $200 a month for 2 people at the premium. You get a level in there that you can earn a $500 direct commission. And inside this information, I like to show you how you can earn up to $2,000 in direct, immediate, same-day cash flow. I like to keep it very simple, and that's how I run it. Get traffic to your lead capture page, right? They opt in, use an autoresponder to follow up. Then when you create more information, new video, or is there some content there's a content or a post you want people to see or something, do a broadcast to your autoresponder campaign and broadcast it to your list, sharing the information that you want them to see. Okay, that is one of the most simplest, easiest ways anybody can do, right? That is the basis behind what most people are doing in online marketing, the basics. Okay, there are some advanced strategies, but I'm talking about the basics. You're going to get traffic to your lead capture page. Let the autoresponder follow up with you with the few messages you already have set, and as you create new content, send it out to your list. This is branding you. Let people connect your voice with your face, and you want to be very consistent, but you at least want to do it once a week, giving people some information. This is Michael Petty signing off. See you in the next video.